This is how my dog acts when she wants candy. Set. Set. Good girl. Go back. I said set. Good girl. Now, how bad do you want this candy? Set. No. I told you set. Set. Good girl. Tell me that you want this candy. No. Tell me that you want the candy. Okay, set. Yeah, I know. Get up. Come on. Alright, there you go. Get your candy cane. You good? His name is Jorge de los Locos. Come up here, Jorge. Come up here. Set. Lift the veil of mystery. No. Set. He's right here. No. See his face. He's mine. Search your feelings for him. No. Tell me you want the candy cane. Tell me you want the candy cane. Huh? Tell me you want the candy cane. Set. Good girl. It's okay. Alright, come on. I know. Not information. Let it set. Take it. Come on. Good girl. And she's gone.